Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Sorry, I did not upload for a few weeks because some work going on in my home, and especially my room. There is actually renovation going on here. You can see my room, nicely painted, right? And they have actually shellac. I don't know what you call it. Painted this, whether it's shellac or what. Yeah, they've already done the brown part, and they've done here as well. My room is painted. Plus, I'm going to put a shelf. The shelf is ready, just need to drill. By today will be ready. TV shelf with a glass on top of it, this kind of glass. So yeah, and I'm going to remove that. I also bought this from Shopee for about 30 ringgit or 20 ringgit to put the remotes. Diwali is in 2 weeks time, so Morocco is in the making, and also they are making ribbon Morocco plus other cookies will be start doing it soon. So here we are, Diwali. So as I always wanted a shelf or a TV rack for my room, I finally got it done. I wanted the same color, same wood as my room in the whole house, which is the nyato wood. And also we like one in like a, I don't know what you call it, like a shellac or something like that. It's brown thick color, and yeah, he got the wood done within 1 week. And it's a 3-inch wood shelf, and it's called the nyato wood once again. So now he need to do the alignment, the balancing of the wood, the correction of the balance. Once he got it done, he will nail it, and before nailing it, he will just put the glue on it, like and nail it, get it in. And my cousin, my mama actually brought her granddaughter. She's so sweet. Her name is Katrina. So she's very, very cute. She's just turned 1, and she's actually my happy pill. And then my cousin brother, my mama's son, helped me out with this. I purchased the rain shield, where when it heavy rains, sometimes you can't see your side mirrors. So this is actually to protect you, so that the rain water doesn't cover the side mirrors. So after once it rains, you can see it clearly. I purchased both the side mirrors plus the yeah, he is explaining how to put it.
Dia jadi smooth ya.
And it's rain, you tak boleh nampak, you cannot see.
Kau cuba duduk dalam.
Done. This one with the, that means when I do tint, kena buka?
Tak ada. Dia sebab tinted belah dalam. This one is outside of the window. So tinted will go inside of the car, and this thing will go outside of the car.
This is for the side mirror. So you need to put the water, and then you need to scrape it and put it nicely. And so with the rain and the heat, it will dissolve.
Okay.
So, and then he helped me out to put the steering protector. I bought a universal steering protector. I didn't know how to put it. I wanted to return it back because I thought it was a different size. He told me it was a universal one, and he helped me put it. Fixed it for me. He's very young, just finished his SPM, but he's very smart in cars, the car things and stuff. Whenever he's down, I ask him help to help me. I think I bought this for 19 ringgit from Shopee. I bought this steering protector from Shopee as well, about 19 ringgit. I bought it the same color as my interior car. And here you go, Katrina, for your stress relief. And hope you like my video. Till then, take care, stay calm, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe.